AZCO Corp designed and manufactured an assembly to precisely slit, unwind, and rewind narrow materials from a roll form. Rolls of material are loaded onto a cantilevered unwind. The unwind station has a variable speed motor and control panel. From the unwind, the material travels over an idler roller and under a dancer assembly. The dancer arm controls the speed and tension of the material web. Material is then pulled into the slitter station. Crush-cut slitters precisely slit the material. The slit material is then rewound on a dual differential shaft and will allow for multiple rolls of material to be rewound. Components are mounted on a common aluminum frame. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.